Let's go. Comb your hair. Okay? Okay. Very good. Mashallah. You want to comb your hair also. Wow. You're saucy now. You said comb your hair, not fighting me. Shuada. What is this, Leo? You want me to comb your hair, right? Oh my God. How come? You want me to comb your hair? So, don't fight with me. You said comb your hair. Lie down at the back. Turn. What the fuck? Why are you fighting with me? Ouch. I am combing your hair. Shuada, is this a prank? You don't like? You don't like? You don't like combing your hair? Huh? Why? You're so annoying, you know. You're annoying too much. You don't like, huh? You're a boy. I know that. You don't like to comb your hair. Sure.